You think this little brake stops better than the full shoes? You really think it does in the rear?
Scuff them up and
no,
I'll
I'm
show
not.
you.
I
don't know why they work, but they work good.
All right, I just wondered why.
They work really good.
All right.
I can't tell you
because
why.
Because it's just
you would think it wouldn't,
another
but maybe,
inch of,
maybe because the
well,
surface.
I know because it's got both of them.
Well, it's a smaller. It takes the same shoes as the front of a V7 Sport,
right,
but the thing is I think you've got so much leverage on that little teeny brake, it'll lock up the wheel easy. So it works. Yes, it doesn't make much sense, I agree. You think the giant shoes you'd have, it would work better, but it doesn't. It probably has to do with the pressure on, the surface area of those pads.
Yeah. So this differential looks good.
Yeah.
I pulled the opinion out of it. It's all good. I spun it around, checked the ring gear. That's all good. But I'll pull the sump off and drain it all and then, right?
Yeah.
And then refill
I guess
it.
we can clean some of the grease off, but I don't know. I guess we have to check the seals.
The seal, none of the seals are leaking right now.
Yeah.
But I don't want to clean the grease off, then it'll look fucking nice. You know what I'm saying?
Drive shaft looks okay, I guess.
Yeah, it's all good. The drive shaft and the coupler.
Mo,
Yeah.
I'm gonna need you to hide that bag of candy from me. You're trying to sabotage me already. I'm on a good,
I'm not sabotaging you.
1.5 day diet streak.
You're
and I come in.
You're semi-autistic and you can't stay away from food.
Okay, so then why do you leave food out for me?
Well, I can't help your.
You can hide the food.
You could have Snowball help you. Snowball will help you.
Alright, well I don't want you to bitch when I eat literally all the fucking candy and you don't get any. Snowball! Snowball! Oh, poor little Snowball.
Snowballs.
Oh.
Oh, Snowball's so fluffy.
You're both so fluffy. Oh. Oh my god. No. Poor Snowball.
Poor Snowball.
Bye.